Look at that sky. Hey Goose, look. Is the Big Ben Tower. It looks absolutely stunning. Hey Peacock, come check out this view. Peacock, hello? Are you there? Anybody? That's it, I'm calling him. Hey Google, call Peacock. Hello, Peacock. Where are you? I'm looking at the Big Ben Tower. Well, you might be able to see me. See you? It sounds like you are inside. You got it. I'm currently inside of the Big Ben Tower. What the hell do you mean you're inside of the Big Ben Tower? I'm gonna make Big Ben ring. Peacock, don't you dare ring that bell. Why not? Because the bell is supposed to ring every hour on the hour. Well, get ready. Hiya. Is defeating. Wow, the Eiffel Tower. Hey Peacock, come check out this weave. Peacock. Are you there? That's it. Google call Peacock. Hello, Peacock. Where are you? I'm in the hotel with the view of the Eiffel Tower. I am not at the hotel, but I have a view of the Eiffel Tower too. Are you outside? Yeah, I'm currently skydiving. What the hell do you mean you're skydiving? I'm trying to land on top of the Eiffel Tower. What the fuck are you doing? I don't think that's a good idea, but look below you.